If you are preparing for Mphil entrances in 2026, then this is the correct time to take the CMP membership and get all the benefits that are coming forward, and whatever will be coming for the next year from your date of joining in this membership will be absolutely free for you. To join in this membership program and take the benefit of the Diwali week, the Diwali offer period, you can just write down on the mail given in the description and get details and join quickly to have all the advantages that you can get on Psychoprofessor Clinical. More on that, if you don't want to have the complete membership, that's completely okay, but having this CNF 7000 plus, this bundle is very important for you, because maximum questions, 95% questions are coming from these books, these PYQs, and these questions that are arranged from these particular books that you are reading daily for your Mphil entrance preparation. What you get this in this CNF 7000 folder is the questions from A series mocks, the C series mocks, the F series, the N series, and this you are having the surprise quiz PDF, and over here you are getting the research method booklet as the extra bonus over here as well. Okay, and along with that you will have what? You will have whatever Telegram mocks we are doing on the regular basis. You will have that PDF in this surprise quiz PDF section, and you can have that answer key as well. Okay, right now what you will watch is the RML 2021 question paper for your Mphil clinical psychology entrance examination that was happened, and this is the only real paper that is available on the internet that is there, and you can also get access to this paper completely free, but just by joining the Telegram group. Okay, by Diwali this PYQ will also be available with you. Why I am telling you that this is the important one, and rest all is completely it will take your preparation nowhere. Why? Because as per the RML Mphil syllabus, this paper is on the same level, not level exactly, but yes, on the same bifurcation that they have done in their syllabus that they have given in the information brochure for 2025 and 2026. Okay, as you can see, the general psychology portion, if you have not seen the previous syllabus video, make sure that you watch that. As you can see, the general psychology portion, if you will come down, and you will find that there are exactly 15 questions on these. Okay, you will find only 12 to 15 questions, and as soon as this 15 is over, you will find another portion for that is what? That is your child psychology portion. Okay, so whatever they have mentioned, you will find all the 100 questions that are available in this complete PYQ PDF. Okay, those who have access to the membership, they are getting this PYQ right now, and as well as those who are enrolled in the RML program, also they are having access to this PYQ. If you have not joined, that completely okay. By Diwali you will also get this PDF completely free in the Telegram group. Okay, and this complete paper PDF of 35 pages is exactly as per the recent RML Mphil syllabus. Okay, how they have given exactly the same way this paper is covering on. Okay, as you can see, as the 15 questions have finished over here, then you will see the clinical psychology portion, and like that. So this is the only PYQ which you should focus right now and align your preparation according to that. If you are already a part of RML program, you will have this PYQ PDF. Practice these 100 questions regularly on the regular basis, as well as whatever daily questions 100 we are doing for practice. Make sure that you are doing that as well properly over there as well. Okay, and this is the only 100% genuine paper that you are seeing right now on your screen, and this is for your Mphil clinical psychology 2021. Apart from that, whatever you are having, you think that okay, you are having the PYQ of RML, but that is not the case. Why? I will tell you shortly. Because you will find somebody just shared this paper mentioning it as RML 2023, but this is not the actual RML Mphil clinical psychology paper. Why? Because though it is 2023 written over here, but as you can see, the subject code is 135, and that is not your subject code. Okay, what is your subject code? Your 157 is the subject code. So if you are practicing with this, then good luck to you, no matter where you are heading towards with your preparation. Why? Because see, they have mentioned clearly over here, section, there are two sections, section A and B, 1 to 35, and section B 36 to 70. So there are only 70 questions in this entrance exam, but this is not your subject code. Why you are preparing these kind of question, which they might have some relevance, because of course it is of psychology portion. Some questions are important, but apart from that, if we talk about Mphil clinical psychology specifically, then this is not at all required. Okay, you have to practice according to the entrance preparation. Whichever PYQ you are having, just prepare according to that, and you will find the complete child psychology, everything in that particular question paper which I have shared with you in the 2021 section. Along with that, you can also check for the CET 2021. You will get to know this is completely fake. This is 135. This is not RML psychology. This is yes RML psychology for some other paper. There are 70 questions, maybe BA, masters, whatever that is. But this is not your RML Mphil clinical psychology portion. Okay, so get yourself out of this delusion that you are practicing the proper Mphil clinical psychology questions. No, you are not. But you will do shortly by Diwali from the 2021 question paper. You will find all the things arranged: 15% from research, 15% from testing, 5%. There are only 5%, 5 questions from social psychology, which we have discussed, and as per the RML syllabus. Okay, so if you are there to prepare for RML Mphil clinical psychology, make sure that you are giving your 100% and you are only reading the accurate things. No need to read any such question paper which is saying that okay, it is RML, but they have not proper bifurcation about 15%, 5% on all these things. Okay, this becomes very, very important for you if you are preparing seriously for the upcoming Mphil entrance. Okay, so those who have access to this, take the most out of it, take the early benefit, and it will be available for you in the Telegram group shortly. Okay, so this is just the basic information which I wanted to share. Please prepare according to the syllabus and according to the demand of the particular examination. Don't do unnecessary questions. If you have access to the CNF 7000, do those questions repeatedly, because those are very, very important. Questions from these are also falling in this paper, as well as it will fall in the 2025 paper on 2nd of November. Okay, so I don't want you to practice unnecessary questions, those questions which have no requirement, which have no need, that you will practice for no reason, and just you will just cheat yourself that okay, you are having the RML PYQ. No, you are not having this thing. Okay, you are having RML PYQ now for 2021. Just believe on this 2021 paper, just believe on the CANF books, and just believe in yourself, and you will be able to clear the upcoming RML Mphil examination. The main key is the accuracy and the revision. The paper level will be not that tough, but yes, as per this, the toughness, the hardiness of personality, not personality, the hardness of this paper might be there, but it is, once you will go through this paper completely, you will get to know around 80 to 90 will be the safest score once again for the 2025. Okay, but they can change the pattern. This is like 4 years back. It can happen anytime that they can change the pattern, but there will be 15 questions from the research, 15 questions from the testing portion, and only 5%, 5 questions from the social psychology. There will be total 100 questions, and you will be allotted a dedicated time. So make sure that you make your most out of that time and do the proper accurate revision and for the upcoming examination of RML Mphil entrance. Okay, all right, so see you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and see you all soon, and keep revising, keep doing the things, and thank you.